Good tools make work easier, but great tools make every cut count. Hey, it's Michael from Rapid Tools. For over 25 years, Rapid Tools has been designing and developing cutting solutions built for those who take pride in doing the job right. We've built our reputation on innovation with purpose, creating tools that deliver real value where it matters most, in your hands. Our lineup includes utility blades, retractable and folding utility knives, snap-off blades and knives, special use blades, heavy-duty scissors, and our auto-loading razor scraper. At the core of it all is the cornerstone of our company, the serrated utility blade. Its multiple cutting edges work simultaneously to deliver sharper cuts and longer blade life than standard blades. Every Rapid Tools product is designed by us, not sourced, not copied. Built to handle real work with strength, precision, and consistency. From the home workshop to the job site, our tools deliver the quality, dependability, and value you can trust. Available at rapidtools.net. Rapid Tools, it's time for a change.